What's in my hand is Hollyland Lark Duo Max, two wireless mics, a receiver, and a charging case with many interesting new features. Futuristic design with hard edges finish. The receiver looks like a mini audio mixer. It certainly evokes that sensation, you get it. It's Omahe, and today we'll have a look at Hollyland Lark Max Duo. Let's get started. And what sets the new wireless audio system apart from other brands are touchscreen, menu controller, magnetic clips, 14 hours internal recording, longer transmission range 250 meters, 820 feet, and an excellent noise cancelling capability. From the beginning of this video, there is a fan running in the foreground near to my camera. It's about a meter away, and you hear nothing. Noise cancelling is on. Switching to off. On. Off. This unit was sent to me by Hollyland for the purpose of this review. However, it's not a sponsored video and my feedback is completely unbiased. Moving forward, let's discuss some of the specs and features while unboxing this system. Lark Max Duo charging case and all accessories come in a nice hard case. Cables and window screen fit here as well. In addition to the charging cord, there are two smartphone connectors for Lightning and Type-C users. Not to mention the microphone magnet clips. Make sure to keep them around. So far, Hollyland design is my favorite among other competitors. I like geometric shapes and sharp edges. The system supports 9 hours battery life, and the charging case make it up to 22 hours. The charging case is packed with 28 mAh battery, which offers 22 hours of working time. And when discussing transmission range, it got 250 meters, 820 feet transmission range in line of sight, and 60 meters, 200 feet when dealing with obstacles in between. On one of the sides, we get an internal recording button and a noise cancelling switcher on the other end. The red light pops up when internal recording is active. The blue light is when noise cancelling is off and turns to green color when noise cancelling is switched on. Not to mention the option of connecting any external lavalier mic or a shotgun mic to the wireless system. Now the receiver, on the other hand, features OLED touchscreen, a scrolling wheel to control the menu, and a control button. In the receiver, you get full control over the wireless microphone, such as gain, noise cancelling, internal recording, and even format the storage. Because the system is dual mic, you can use one mic or two mics. It's up to you. But in both cases, when recording, you can choose between stereo, mono, or safety track feature. What's the difference? Stereo mode will record each microphone on a channel. For example, mic 1 is on the left channel and mic 2 is on the right channel. But if you're using one microphone only and using stereo mode, one channel will be off and the other one will be filled with the microphone you're using at the moment. The other mode is mono recording, which merge both microphones on the same channel, and you get no option to separate the microphones in post. Finally, the safety track is similar to mono, but one channel audio level will be lower than the second one. Eventually, it's a backup channel. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video helped in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you guys in another one.